Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up YouTube Studio monetization settings for RPM growth. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open YouTube Studio by navigating to studio.youtube.com. Sign in to your YouTube account if you haven't already. On the left side menu, click on Monetization. Review your current monetization status to ensure your channel is eligible. If your channel isn't monetized yet, follow the on-screen instructions to set up monetization. Once you are eligible, proceed to the next section. Click on the Settings gear icon at the bottom left of the page. In the Settings menu, select Channel, then choose Feature Eligibility. Confirm that all monetization features are activated. Now, head back to the monetization page. Examine ad types available for your channel. Enable ads that align with your content and audience. Consider choosing skippable, non-skippable, and bumper ads for broad coverage. Next, adjust your video ad settings. Go to the Videos section under the left menu. Select a video to edit, then click on the Monetization tab. Toggle the switch to enable ads for that specific video. Choose the types of ads you want to allow for this video. For RPM growth, consider the placement of ads strategically. Experiment with mid-roll ads for longer videos. Check the audience retention metrics for insights. Aim to place mid-roll ads at points where viewer engagement is still strong. Return to the monetization section to review your ad performance metrics. Monitor your RPM regularly to understand how different ad formats perform. Consider conducting A/B tests with various ad types and placements. Engage with your audience to get feedback on the ad experience. Continuously refine your monetization strategy based on data and viewer feedback. Stay updated with YouTube's monetization policies, as they can change frequently. Finally, review any changes in your RPM after implementing new strategies. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize your monetization settings for growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.